issue of whether conduct is reasonable or unreasonable or justified or unjustified are matters that the jury must find.
That statement centers around the motions, taking up most of the 51 minutes spent in court today in the case against former Sangamon County Sheriff's Deputy Sean Grayson. Good evening. I'm Kelly Finley.
And I'm Jennifer Roscoe. The jury was not in court today as Judge Ryan Cadigan heard motions from Grayson's defense team and the prosecution. But the biggest announcement today, 2 of the 3 charges against Grayson have been dismissed. Our Brandon Morano is covering the trial all week live at the Peoria County Courthouse, where the trial is going to continue tomorrow. Brandon, so tell us more about these dropped charges.
Jennifer, the prosecution dropped 2 lesser charges of aggravated battery and official misconduct, meaning the jury will only have to decide the verdict on 1 charge, that being first-degree murder. We'll get back to this very shortly, but the motions were also filed today granting certain expert witnesses from being able to testify on what is reasonable or unreasonable, what is, quote, lawful or unlawful, or what's justified and unjustified. Another issue was how timely or untimely in the defense's case the motions by prosecutors were. It matters because both sides are supposed to be prepared with all the information before trial if possible. Now, as for those charges, I talked to longtime criminal defense attorney Steve Beckett to get his take on the prosecution dropping the battery and misconduct charges and why.
In many cases, prosecutors want to avoid the possibility of any sort of compromise verdict, so that if there are serious charges and less serious charges, by eliminating the less serious charges, you get an answer yes or no only on the serious charges.
We and the jury will also be back in the courtroom tomorrow morning for opening statements and the official start of this trial. Some expert witnesses are also expected to testify. Now, I want to show you a stark difference compared from yesterday. This is all that's left of the police presence. We had a SWAT truck, we had a mobile command center, and fire trucks blocking off Hamilton Boulevard. Now, I talked to court security, and they say they expect that to ramp up again tomorrow and throughout the rest of this trial.